Our webcams, we've had a lot of smoke haze in the area from the campfire. Northwest winds are starting to carry this into the area, so check it out on those webcams. And by the way, if you can see the air and you have a sensitivity, I don't need to tell you that air quality basically works. If you can see it, it's not good. And stay inside if you have those sensitivities. Let's take a look at the hashtag #BeOnKSBY. Today, Michelle Sherman, that's the rock, and that's all the haze that we saw up along the north coast today. Thank you, Michelle, for posting that to my Facebook fan page. And this morning, Cecil Horton posted this view of the Templeton skies. Look at the redness in there. The particulate matter actually filters out the blue colors, so you get so much more red and orange in your pictures at sunrise and sunset. This is a look at the smoke visibility map, and you can see from essentially where the campfire is with that northwest breeze that's developed. Sacramento air quality is terrible, and that's going into the Bay Area as well. A number of schools today canceled because of the poor air quality, and this is going to continue until we get a better grasp on that fire. Here's what's going on across the west. We have a lot of high pressure still in place. There's a little front kind of making its way into California as we get into Saturday. It doesn't quite get here. Winds stay out of the area. This is a favorable forecast. We're going to see more marine layer redevelopment and some weak onshore winds. Temperatures right now, mid-60s for most of the area. Paso Robles nearly 70, and the winds currently under 10 miles per hour. All fairly good news. Weather watchers say 81 Santa Ynez, 69 Morro Bay, so temperatures there coming down because that offshore component is breaking down. San Luis nearly 80, and Santa Maria as well was 30 this morning in Paso Robles. Just that turning of the wind back onshore brings in high clouds tomorrow. Again, we have some of the smoke haze and low clouds on the way for early Saturday. That's going to bring temperatures back for the upcoming weekend. Some of the beaches back into the 60s for highs. Elsewhere, you're looking at 70s. Okay, let's go down the road and talk about the travel week weather. Again, I don't think a whole lot happens through the weekend. Could see a few showers across Southern California on Monday from a system that's dying on arrival. I'm not really big on that. But what we're watching here is the potential of rain developing later on Thursday. Quick little hitter here into early Friday. It moves out with another bigger system arriving on Sunday. If this verifies, we could see a decent amount of rain across the area. Could see nearly an inch up along the north coast with as much as maybe a half inch in the San Luis, Santa Maria area, a little less further south. Yesterday, this same model, not as bullish, so the models are varying in terms of what they're telling us day to day about this. But again, the news is it's going to rain, the intensity, a bit of a question, and when we're talking about brand new burn scars, what Ryan Zinke was saying today about the potential for debris flow, I agree. It's definitely there. We have to watch this forecast carefully. I will keep you up to date on the twists and turns in the outlook. Temperatures tomorrow in the 70s. We don't see a lot of 80s on this map. We've seen those over the last couple of weeks. Mid-70s Santa Ynez Valley, 5 cities temperatures, mid-60s at the beach, 70s away from the beach. And again, a mix of cloud cover high and low cloud cover occasionally and smoke haze. The trend is down into the weekend and then kind of steady as we go into Monday and Tuesday. Again, I think the rain chances hold off until later on Thanksgiving Day, but it could be that drive back, that Sunday one, that we might need to keep a closer eye on. Scott and Kathy, back to you.